Okay, we are making garlicky fried chicken sandwiches. Oh, those sound good. Garlicky fried chicken sandwiches with honey mustard, mayo, and roasted carrots. So everything that we need, mostly everything we need will come in here. Everything you'll need except for a few minor things, and it'll tell you right here: salt, pepper, olive oil, and cooking oil. I think we got that. Let's see, I'm gonna try to rate raisins. There we go. No, I'm over here. I'm back. Still figuring out my new tripod. I do love it though. The reason I get HelloFresh, because after I've worked 8 or 9 hours and been away from home, I don't really feel like, cooking a whole out meal. And the worst part of cooking to me is the planning. Planning what we're gonna have, shopping for it, cooking. I love, but that stuff I don't like. So we have free week, and with the cost of everything these days, it's way cheaper than eating out. And I spend less on this than I do the other groceries for the week. So works out great. Once it's to preheat, $4.25. Dry produce. Okay, first let's see what we got in our bag here. We got buns. And out of the carrots. I thought these were sweet potatoes, even though it says roasted carrots. Trim, peel, and cut carrots into sticks like fries. Barking. All right, we're gonna roast on top rack for 15 to 20 minutes. I'm gonna set it for 20 because carrots take a long time. Sliced buns. I only have one person in this house who eats bread, so I just need one. It's ready for later. This mallet was my mom's. It's just so old. I can't even tell you. What does it say? It says EKCO, EKCO, Taiwan 2. I also have a really old ice pick of hers. Like, who uses an ice pick? Let's get our pan ready. Need to heat some oil in it. One-third inch layer of oil. I guess we are frying them, huh? Okay, we're gonna have that heat up. And then make sauce. Mayonnaise, honey Dijon, hot sauce, salt and pepper. Okay, let's get a little container for that. to make my bed. Good. Good. Our oil has to be getting ready. Okay, let's run it. So, going to bread these with my gloved hand. Squish them down in there. Go like that, and then put it in the oil. Bang on the window outside, and then she shuts up. Just one of them who does that. Prepare a couple plates for the oil to drain. It's almost time to flip them. Nice and brown. Brown food tastes good. Can anybody comment and tell me who said that? It's a chef. Brown food tastes good. That's God, it's 180. Voila.